Everyone, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners here on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. I'm out of Brewster. I was in Chatham recently taking a look at an asphalt roof for a homeowner who was concerned that they had some algae or mold growing upon their roof shingles because from the ground they can see it turning black. Sure, so I went and I took a look, and as soon as I got down off the ladder, I turned to the homeowner and I asked, "Have you had this roof cleaned recently?" And it turns out that yeah, they sure have. About a year and a half, 2 years ago, they had it cleaned. They had it cleaned by a big local company that does its roof cleaning with power washers. So this is what I was looking at on that asphalt roof. As you can see here, the black that the homeowner saw from the ground, that's not mold or algae. That's actually the inside of the roof shingle, basically laid bare because the outside of the shingle, sort of the protective sunscreen layer, it's now missing. You can see plainly where the back and forth motion of the power washer compromised these shingles. There's no fix for that. There's no cleaning it. There's no repairing it. There's nothing to do other than just eventually replace it. And it's going to be a lot sooner than it would have otherwise been. So my point being this, there's good ways to clean a roof. There's bad ways to clean a roof. The folks who make asphalt roof shingles specifically say don't even think about using a power washer to clean these roof shingles. If you have an asphalt roof that's got any sort of organic growth upon it, meaning moss or lichen or mold or algae, I'd be happy to take a look at it, walk you through your reasonable options. Those options don't include using a power washer. All right, that's all for now. My contact info is in the link above or below. Thank you.